Why does your scanner show the P0205 engine code? What does it mean? P0205 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector circuit malfunction, cylinder 5. This engine code indicates that is triggered when the PCM detects an unexpected electrical signal in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 5. This indicates a problem with the injector's wiring or the injector itself, preventing the correct amount of fuel from being delivered. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty cylinder 5 fuel injector. Damaged or corroded wiring or connectors. Open or shorted circuit. Faulty PCM. Poor electrical connections. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Ford, Chevrolet, and Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.